The flow is the basic of all Prefect workflows. By turning your Python function into a Prefect flow, you can unlock a lot of functionalities of Prefect, such as observability, rejoice, timeout, effortlessly run your code concurrently or in parallel. Creating a flow is also a prerequisite to creating a deployment, which will be introduced later in this course. Deploying a flow allows you to schedule your workflow or send notifications when your workflow fails and much more. To learn how to turn your function into a flow, let's start with a simple example. Here we have a script to process the data. First, we load the configuration file. Then we get the data from PostgreSQL database. Next, we use some functions to process the data. At the end, we put all the functions to process the data in the function process data. Now, we can turn process data into a Prefect flow by simply adding the decorator flow to it. First, we import flow from Prefect. Next, we add the decorator flow to process data. Now, let's run this and see how the output looks like. Cool, we can see some information about the status of the flow, such as when the flow starts running and when it finishes. And that's all you need to create a Prefect flow.